In this video I'm going to show you how to make a new account in Stumble Guys. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, you need to enter in Stumble Guys, and I will point out that you can do this process on any phone. I'm using Android Samsung, but you can do the exact process if you are on iPhone or any other Android, doesn't matter. Enter on Stumble Guys, log on the account that you have, click right here at the top right corner on settings, and you need to log on a Google Play, connect on your account on a Google Play account to not lose your account. So this is a very important part. You need to connect your Stumble Guys account to Google Play. Okay, so click right here to log in and connect to any Gmail that you have. After doing that, you need to clear the cache of your Stumble Guys. So on Android, we generally swipe down, click on settings. If you are on iPhone, you need to find the option to clear the cache of Stumble Guys. So on Android, we found apps, search Stumble Guys, and you need to click on the app. Click on the app, come right here in storage, and clear the cache of your game. Okay, so clear the cache and clear the data of your game. After doing that, you need to open Stumble Guys again. So open Stumble Guys. Okay, wait a little, and you will see that you will make a new account in Stumble Guys. Okay, after doing that, you can see that I create a new account on Stumble Guys. If I click right here, I can change my name. Then you just need to come at the top right corner on settings and log on another Google Play account, not the account that you linked before. You need to log in on another Google Play account to not lose this account. And that's it to make it a new account in Stumble Guys. I hope I helped you how to make a new account in Stumble Guys. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.